In this video, I am going to walk you through our smart wireless Bluetooth sensors and to explain the typical features and functionality that you might find on our sensors. On the top label side of the sensor, you will notice the sensor's name and range information. In some cases, the sensor is labeled with any inputs or outputs, such as P1 and P2 for pressure sensors, or V for voltage and I for current. Below the sensor's name, you might see the sensor's unique ID number. This ID number is specific to this sensor only and is used by the EasySense 2 software. Sensors feature a status light indicator. This indicator gives feedback to the current status of the sensor. For example, if there is no status light at all appearing on the Bluetooth sensor, then it means that the sensor is switched off. If the sensor is flashing blue, the sensor is on and Bluetooth is advertising. If the sensor is flashing white, it means that the sensor is currently charging via USB mains charger or the USB port. If the sensor is flashing green, it means that communication with the EasySense 2 software via Bluetooth or USB has been successfully established. When the sensor is flashing orange, it means that the sensor is currently recording data. If the sensor is flashing red, it will indicate that the battery is very low. To turn the sensor on, short press the on-off switch, and to turn the sensor off, long press for around 2 seconds until the white light is lit solidly and then release. All sensors feature a USB input. This is to enable connectivity between your device and the EasySense 2 software or for charging the device. In the next video, we're going to cover how to connect your sensor either via USB or Bluetooth using the EasySense 2 software. If you have any further questions about our smart wireless Bluetooth sensors or need any technical support in using them, then please feel free to visit our website at www.data-harvest.co.uk. Thank you.